Not too long ago, safety on Indian roads was left to chance. Short pause. Until one day, someone decided it shouldn't be. Beat. In 2018, Tata Motors became the first Indian manufacturer to voluntarily crash the Nexon impact sound. That one crash delivered India's first 5-star global NCAP rating, and from that moment, safety became a part of every car buying conversation in India. The story continued. Ultros, Punch, Harrier, Safari, Curve, and the entire industry followed. Together, we made Indian roads safer. Music swells. Now, when the legend returns, safety has to be legendary. For years, safety was measured in only one way: a car against a wall, a car against a stationary object. But to make safety truly legendary, we had to test the Sierra against something just as legendary. Deep bass hit. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Explosive crash sound plus fire roar. Heat, heat. And that's how we changed the game on safety. Again, one crash, one legend, one truth. Because here's the truth most people don't talk about. Most crash fatalities happen between two moving vehicles. So we designed this test as a true car-to-car impact to mirror real-world conditions exactly. When impact meets its match, what remains is pure engineering truth. When two legends collide, you don't just witness destruction, you witness an orchestra of precision. Soft piano note. This is how safety evolves. This is how legends lead. This is how millions of journeys stay protected every single day. Because what starts here, in this lab, changes what happens on every road outside it. That's how a legend raises the bar, not by following norms, but by redefining them. Music rises to epic finish. Tata Sierra, the legend returns, safer than ever. Final impact plus logo sound. End card voice, calm and confident. Book your test drive now, because some legends are built to protect yours.